Hi, Pico. Welcome back.
Oh.
They were just getting mad at each other.
Oh my goodness.
They're just happy to see each other, and they were just stomping around.
We thought we were in for some trouble there, but we're doing pretty good.
Yeah, we can't connect them.
Okay.
People, when you can't connect your slime,
No.
it will explode the whole earth.
That's right.
On our next break, after this next break, we will show you anti-venom, and we'll show my pets anti-venom and the Uber Symbiote on our. And Dad will show his next symbiote, the Duca Symbiote. Okay, so on our next break, bye!